How to set do not disturb option in a Zoom app. So first of all, open the Zoom application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, you can simply tap on your profile icon right here. Then after doing that, here you can see the option of availability. Simply tap on it. Then you'll get the option of do not disturb. Simply tap on it in order to enable. Then you'll get the options of how much do you want to set this mode. So we have 24 hours to up to 20 minutes. We also have the option of scheduled daily recurring. If you tap on it, now you can simply enable this option. Then you can select the time from 5 p.m. to 9 a.m. You can simply change this time, simply tap on it, and you can also change that. And when you're done, you can simply tap on done. And just like this, you'll be able to enable your do not disturb mode. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.